Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Shoe Freak. I hope you guys all are doing good. So friends, hope you guys all are liking my videos and enjoying my videos and getting many more ideas of these types of heels. So in today's video you are going to see many more ideas of blue heels. So let's start our video. So blue heels are a type of shoes which are characterized by their high heel and a blue color palette. So just like green heels, they come in various styles and designs. So blue heels come in a diverse range of designs and styles. They can feature different heel types. The shoe themselves can have open, closed or peep toe designs. And they can even be incorporated into boots with high heels. So blue heels can be made from a variety of materials or synthetic materials. The choice of material can influence the shoe's appearance, comfort and durability. So blue heels are suitable for a wide range of occasions. They can be an elegant choice for formal events like weddings, galas, or cocktail parties. They can also add a pop of color to casual outfits, making them versatile for everyday wear. So high heel shoes are not always the comfortable most footwear. It's essential to consider factors like cushioning, arch support, and the shape of the heel to ensure a comfortable fit, especially if you plan to wear them for long periods. So proper care and maintenance are essential for preserving the appearance and longevity of blue heels. Protecting them from dirt, moisture, and scuffs is important. Blue heels may be influenced by current fashion trends. Different shades of blue can become more popular in certain seasons, and unique features or embellishments may be in vogue. So numerous shoe brands offer blue heels, each with its own unique style, quality, and pricing. Popular brands may have their signature blue heel designs. Some individuals offer custom-made blue heels to match their specific preferences, ensuring a perfect fit and a one-of-a-kind design. So to enhance comfort when wearing blue heels, you can use insoles or heel cushions. Additionally, practicing walking in high heels can improve stability and balance. So blue heels are a versatile and stylish footwear option suitable for various occasions. They come in a wide array of designs and materials, allowing individuals to express their unique fashion sense. Proper care, comfort and considerations and outfit coordination are important when wearing blue heels. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get notification of my new videos. So I will see you in my next video. Goodbye. See you soon.